Tool theft is on the rise and you can't earn a living without your kit. I'm going to show you a product that can help keep your valuable tools safer than ever. This extra wide van vault is the tipper. It's designed to fit against the bulkhead of an open-backed vehicle, keeping all your important kit stored and protected from the elements. It's certified by Secured by Design, the UK's official police approved standard. Its heavy-duty steel body has been designed to withstand the most determined attack. Robust security features such as the tamper-proof internal hinge, crossbar reinforcing and the flush front closing lid keep thieves out. And then there is the VaultLock locking system. 2 locks housed deep within the body of the box, shielded by hardened steel plates, giving advanced protection from drilling, cutting and picking. And to make your working day easier, the Van Vault tipper has been designed so there's loads of room to fit your kit inside. Thieves will always want to get at your kit, but the Van Vault tipper means proper protection, keeping your tools more secure than ever. Let's stop making it easy for thieves. Van Vault, stored and secured.